welcome you all to my channel Let's Learn. Dear students, in the last part, means part 3 of verb, I have told you about different forms of verbs like V1 form, V2 form, V3 form and VING form, and also different spelling rules. I have already discussed in detail. Now let's start our today's discussion. Dear students, you know that verbs are of different types. I have already told you about finite and non-finite verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs, regular and irregular verbs, and different forms of verbs. Now, today's discussion is about full verb or the main verb or the principal verb and the auxiliary verb. Now, we will see what is main verb and what are its types. Now you see, full verb or main verb. It is also called the principal verb. Its definition is a verb with its own meaning. That means a verb that is not an auxiliary verb is called a full verb. In other words, the verb in a clause with the highest semantic content is called main verb. Now, you see, main verbs, the number of main verbs is unlimited. We can't count the number exactly of the main verb or full verb. And main verbs are of different types also. And now I will discuss about different types of main verbs. First one is verbs of the senses. And there are some verbs about this are feel, hear, see, smell, taste, look, notice, observe, gaze, listen, stare, watch, etc. And then the second one is verbs expressing feelings and emotions. For example, the verbs are admire, adore, appreciate, desire, care for, detest, dislike, fear, hate, like, loathe, love, mind, respect, value, want, wish, enjoy, etc. Then about third one, that is verbs of mental activity. What are the verbs of mental activity? We will take some examples of verbs. They are agree, appreciate, assume, believe, expect. Expect means think. And then feel. When feel means think. Forget, know, mean, M-E-A-N, mean, perceive, realize, recall, recognize, recollect, remember. See means understand. Then suppose, think, trust, understand, love, hear, read, like, want, etc. Then the fourth type is verbs of possession. They are belong, owe, own, possess, concern, consist, contain, hold, keep, matter, seem, signify, sound, etc. Then activity verbs. They are dance, sing, play, smile, act, cut, watch, draw, cook, etc. Then about communicative verbs. They are ask, say, call, tell, speak, talk, describe, write, suggest, thank, etc. Then about verbs of aspect. They are keep, continue, begin, start, stop, etc. Then about verbs of liking or disliking. They are like, dislike, love, hate, prefer, admire, want, etc. Then about verbs of appearance. They are appear, seem, look. Look means like, resemble, etc. Then about other verbs. They are depend, weigh, cost, measure, sound, etc. All these are some examples of main verbs, and you must remember main verbs are called full verb or the principal verb, and its number is unlimited. And some of these main verbs are used as stative verbs or state verbs, and it will be discussed in your 10th chapter in present progressive. When I will discuss about present progressive, at that time I will discuss all about the state verbs or the stative verbs. But you must remember one thing, that some of these verbs act as the stative verbs or the state verbs. It is state verb or stative verb because in present progressive tense there is no ing form we use, and we use only present simple form of these verbs. And in rare cases or in limited cases we use ing form of the verbs, and the meaning is specific at that time. I will discuss later. This is all about your main verb or the full verb. Now I will discuss about auxiliary. Auxiliaries are also called helping verbs. Now in English there are two types of auxiliaries. One is called primary auxiliary and another is called modal. Both are auxiliary verbs. Primary auxiliaries are of three types. One is be verb, second one is do verb, third one is have verb. And there are many forms of these three verbs. The different forms of be verb are am, is, are, was, were, be, been, being. Then different forms of do verb are do, does, did, done, doing. And like that, there are different forms of have verb also. They are have, has, had, having. All these are called primary auxiliaries, and then the second type of auxiliary is called modal. There are totally 13 numbers of modal in English grammar. They are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, used to, ought to, need, dare, must. All these are modals, and I will discuss all about it and its uses in later parts. And in the next part, means part 5, I will discuss the use of be verb. Now this is all about today's discussion about main verb and auxiliary. Thank you all for watching my videos. If you like my video, then please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Thank you all.